better transformation now than I ever had in my whole life.
When I finally got on it and I lost my first 9 pounds, I was like, wait, what?
I think it was that quick result that I saw that I was just like, oh man, this might be different. I think this might work.
Being able to do the exercises has turned this from a diet to a lifestyle. So I'm extremely excited about that.
And did it more for the fitness, but actually lost weight too. I lost actually inches too, which was crazy.
Literally the treasure map to the jackpot, and that's your own health.
Sometimes, you go home and you're like, I don't even know where to start. And so this gives them a great opportunity and a great way to figure out where to start.
You will find, oh my goodness, the cravings are gone. You're starting to see the belly or whatever is the fat for you is melting away.
Since starting, I've lost 45 pounds, several inches.
I feel great in every facet of my life. Strong, I feel motivated. I couldn't be happier.
Perfection has created a powerful new way to help you awaken your own inner Fijian warrior and reshape your life. We call it BulaFit. The BulaFit system focuses on high-impact fat loss by tapping into your body's natural fat-burning mode called ketosis. To understand how ketosis works, it's helpful to understand how your body uses food to build and power itself. Your body gets glucose, a form of sugar, from the carbohydrates you eat every day. Heavy carb foods like bread, pasta, cereal, and sugar provide a lot of glucose for your body to burn for energy. The problem is that modern living often includes a diet that is carb heavy and a lifestyle that is exercise light. This creates an excess of glucose that your body can't burn, and that excess gets converted and stored as, you guessed it, body fat. There is really only one way to naturally reduce excessive body fat. Your body has to burn it for energy. The BulaFit system takes advantage of your protein's impact on your muscles, but uses a much better form of fuel for energy, and that fuel is fat. That's right, fat. It may seem contradictory, but a great way to fight body fat is with fat, and here's why. In the past, we've been told that fat is bad, but recent research shows how beneficial and even necessary fat is for your health. In fact, per gram, fat has twice the energy potential as carbs or proteins. Which brings us back to ketosis. What is ketosis? Ketosis happens when your body no longer has excess carbohydrates or proteins to burn for energy. And in this state, your body begins to produce ketones from fat and uses them as energy for muscles and the brain. So when your body is in ketosis, it is in a pure fat-burning mode. This is why so many people are using BulaFit. It makes getting into and staying into ketosis so simple. Just shake, burn, and go. By shake, we mean BulaFit Keto Fuel Meal Replacement Shake. This is seriously one of the best tasting shakes out there. It is creamy, smooth, and absolutely delicious. And it is specially formulated with the exact right percentages to promote and maintain ketosis. Next, it's time to burn. Our BulaFit Burn capsules are a potent and proprietary combination of herbs and extracts to help you with ketosis. Taken once a day, Burn will help relieve your cravings while providing you high energy and improve your focus throughout the day. Burn also promotes strong metabolism and helps in the transition into ketosis. And finally, it is time to go. By increasing your daily movement, being much more active, and even exercising, you will significantly increase your ability to burn body fat. And fitness expert and BulaFit coach Owen McKibben will show you how.
The beauty of the BulaFit series is this. No gym, no weights, no trainer. I'm your trainer, no problem. Our BulaFit series is designed for you to do anywhere, at the beach, in the park, in your home, or in a hotel room. They're functional, efficient, and effective. So grab one of your best friends, grab a group of friends, the more the merrier. It's an amazing transformation, and get your friends to join you. They will thank you for years to come.
Owen has also created the BulaFit community. It's a friendly, incredibly supportive group where you'll get ongoing support for your own warrior transformation. In the community, you'll find recipes, tips, workout ideas, and coaching, and even more.
I love the idea that the BulaFit has the pamphlet that you can read through. It gives you a list of foods that you can take. It tells you how to take the supplements like the Burn and also the Keto Fuel. The thing that's great about the Keto Fuel is I say, look, take this pack. Let's look at the back of it. It's got 21, 22 grams of fat. It's got 5 grams of carbs, and it's got 12 grams of protein. That's a perfect ratio for the type of food plan that you're going to want to fit into your diet. It'll give you the benefits of decreasing your blood sugars, losing weight, and controlling your inflammation.
When somebody succeeds, we celebrate everyone, and everybody pitches in. And you see that even in today's model of that is kind of our social media, right? It's a congratulations by everyone.
70% of the people at any given time want to lose some weight. Guys, we have it. A delicious way to lose weight. Those two things don't make sense in a sentence, but it works.
We know the results. That's what made this the most exciting project of my life.
This is probably the easiest, has the best tasting things in there. You can't argue with the benefits you feel.
The Keto Fuel and the Burn, and then our high impact ginger and turmeric, as a whole, this program has just changed my life.
Loved Owen and Jennifer's Wakaya BulaFit page, which made it easy to feel like you weren't by yourself doing this program. To date, I've lost 90 pounds, and I'm extremely excited.
So it was a commitment that I made to do something every single day, and it totally transformed my life.
The fact that I can, supplement a meal with the Keto Fuel and alongside the Burn capsules actually feel full and not have the hunger pains or the cravings is just amazing.
My abs are peeking out. I knew I had them, I just didn't see them.
Everything just kind of started melting off. I lost 25 pounds. I lost 27 inches.
I'm just so confident in it that I just always say, I don't know what your results will be, but I know that you'll see them. I did it, and I know you can see.
I did it, so can you. I did it, and so can you.
I did it, and so can you.
I can do it on Wakaya BulaFit, and so can you.
I did it, and so can you.
If you felt like it's time to start winning your own health battles, we invite you to access the power of ketosis and experience BulaFit. A Wakaya Perfection Ambassador can help you get started and answer questions you have along the way. So awaken your own inner warrior and begin to reshape your life. It's time to get BulaFit. So here are the simple steps to get started. 1. Order your 30-day supply of BulaFit Fuel and Burn capsules along with Owen McKibben's BulaFit video workouts. Be sure to put your BulaFit system on auto ship, save money, and never skip a beat. 2. While your product is being shipped, declutter your pantry of unnecessary sugar and other carbs. Start adjusting your meals and eating habits to keto-friendly choices. 3. Set your initial fat loss and fitness goals. This is very important. Join the BulaFit Facebook page community. And 4. When your product arrives, make your first meal replacement shake. Just mix with cold water the first time so that you can see how really delicious the BulaFit Fuel tastes. You then have started your BulaFit lifestyle.